I was doing my usual Shopify research this morning and I stumbled onto something kind of weird. There's this skincare brand called Forge and they sell skincare made from beef fat. Yes, literally beef fat. But when I started looking into the data, I noticed something really interesting. The market for this product is absolutely exploding right now. So as you see, the main brand is called Forge Men, and one of the main products that they're selling is something called tallow balm. Tallow is basically rendered beef fat that people are using as skincare moisturizers. We've actually talked about this on the channel before, but it's crazy to see the data that I'm going to show you in just a second because this market just continues to get more and more demand. Now, selling beef fat might sound a little strange at first, but a lot of people actually really believe in the benefits of it. It's super moisturizing, it's very simple, and it fits the whole trend of people moving away from traditional chemical skincare products. But the really interesting part is when we look at the numbers. If we check the traffic for this store, we can see they're getting 1.4 million monthly visitors, and when you look at the growth, you can see that the traffic is just going up and to the right. So clearly there is something working here. Now, whenever I find a brand like this, I always want to know one thing. Is this just a great brand, or is the entire market behind it growing? So I checked the data inside Shopify.ai, and when we look at the search for tallow cream, for example, you can see that it's grown about 46x in the last 5 years, which is pretty insane. And this is exactly the kind of signal that I look for when researching new e-commerce opportunities and investment opportunities as well. Now, why is this trend blowing up? Well, it makes sense when you zoom out a bit. Right now, there's a huge shift towards natural products. You can see every single tallow keyword here is completely popping off. People want clean ingredients, simple formulas, and products that feel more natural or ancestral. That's a big keyword here in this category. So things like beef tallow, beef collagen, raw honey, all these things are becoming a huge thing in the skincare world. Now, how could somebody actually launch something like this? That's the big question. The interesting thing about markets like this is that you actually don't need to manufacture this yourself. There are companies like Supplyful that basically let you launch supplement brands or skincare brands with on-demand fulfillment, so you don't even have to order inventory. It's very risk-free. So you can create a Shopify store, design your brand, make it unique, use your creativity, and they handle the manufacturing and shipping, which is why we're seeing so many skincare brands and so many supplement brands pop up. You can also do this with sourcing agents in China as well. And inside ShopiLab.ai, with a completely free account, you can access all of our sourcing partners. Supplyful is included in here. So if somebody wanted to launch something like this today, the playbook is pretty simple, and it's exactly what I'm doing myself to launch stores like this one right here that's doing nearly 4K a day and was only launched a few months ago inside ShopiLab.ai as a case study. I'm constantly launching stores like this and also investing in the stores that some of the members build inside the ShopiLab Accelerator. Step one is going to be to find an emerging trend with tons of demand and clear growth potential. Step two is to build a brand around that product. As you see, these guys have done very well with that in targeting men specifically. But for example, with this nighttime tallow cream, you could target women who love natural products and also want to get better sleep. Step three is to use a fulfillment partner like Supplyful to produce and ship the product. You can also use partners like Team Drop. That's the one that I regularly use on a variety of stores. And step four is going to be to drive traffic, whether that be with TikToks using organic marketing or through meta ads or influencer marketing. Meta ads is one of the most powerful and the number one way that this brand is actually getting traffic. If we take a look over here, they are running traffic from a page called Better Performance. So they're not even just running traffic through their own page, they're running traffic through a page that looks like a theme page. And as you see, they're running tons of static ads, they're running tons of awesome videos, even some interesting static ads like this that look very native, and it doesn't even really feel like it's about any product or anything. It's just a story about someone that is relevant to the product they're selling. But honestly, one of the hardest parts about this is step one, finding these trends that actually make sense to launch into and having the confidence to actually execute and test it. And that's actually the reason why we built ShopiLab. Inside ShopiLab, we track exploding e-commerce trends, we analyze stores and surface these opportunities before they become mainstream, while also teaching you step by step how you can actually launch these stores, the entire blueprint and playbook that we use. We also have our accelerator program where we consult with you one-on-one and offer potential partnership and funding opportunities. So instead of spending hours manually doing research, you can just open up the dashboard and see what's actually starting to take off, while also being a part of our global community for Shopify builders, creating stores and even seeing 7 figures and monthly sales in real time. It's a pretty vibrant community. I'm super active every single day and I absolutely love it, especially in the age of AI. There's just so much misinformation on the internet. It's pretty nice to have a closed off community that is focused and high quality. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. You can access the dashboard for free, our sourcing partners, our calculators, but the rest of the platform is $99 a month. And it gives you access to all the trend data, research tools, courses, live calls, and the community. Literally all the tools I'm using every single day in my workflow in order to launch these stores. And trends like tallow skincare are exactly the kind of opportunities that people are building really successful e-commerce businesses around, especially because of the MRR potential that you get from people buying this on a recurring basis. Also worth mentioning, I found this through GetHook, which we have a partnership with inside Shopify Lab, so you can get an exclusive discount to their platform as well. It's super useful, and it's actually how I found this store after I looked up the trend. Let me know if you have any questions, follow me for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.